So it's about 8 a.m. and we're on our way over to meet some riders over at Starbucks up here. WraithRider is unveiling WraithWheel, which is a totally insane custom electric unicycle. This thing is awesome, and it's the first time that he's showing it off to the public, so it should be really cool. An absolute immense amount of work went into building this wheel. Check out the credits in the description below. All right, let's ride. Hey! Who's this guy? Whoa, what is that thing?
Nice. Very cool. How's it going, bro? How you doing? I can't even see carbon fiber at all. That's
no joke. Yeah, he changed the screws out.
I'll be too afraid to crash. I crash mine all the time. I could never do that.
Way too nice to ride.
I'm speechless, and that doesn't happen very often. It reminds me of the car in Ferris Bueller. They got the vicious grip tape on there. Yeah. Yeah.
Finally did it! Help me! That's awesome!
Waterproof inside? We silicone a bunch of stuff, most of the holes and everything. Put a silicone spray on the board. So we open these up.
Put hydrophobic fabric on.
Well, it's the best in the USA. I can say that. That's the best I've ever seen in person in my lifetime.
I think it is probably the best X right now that exists.
I think the gauntlet's been thrown down, though. Somebody's going to attempt it now.
This is like a Nintendo glove. Is there sound?
The Power Glove.
The Power Glove. Yeah, this is nuts, dude.
So you got slider protection all over the bottom of the phone.
Oh yeah, that's clean.
It's super flexible.